Polar bears are not built for swift chases. Instead, they lure reindeer into deep snow, where the reindeer's movement may slow. The herd splits, leaving the bear momentarily unsure of which direction to take. Signs of fatigue begin to show on the reindeer, and even the bear is growing weary. Yet retreat is not an option. The two reindeer separate, and the bear now follows one. Here in the deep snow, escape is impossible. It was an exhausting hunt, but it will provide the bear with sustenance for several days ahead.